Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. In this exercise we will convert this sketch into a 3D model. Go to sketch, create a sketch on top plane, and we need to create these circles. The radius for this circle is 2.2, for this second circle is 3.2, so it means that the diameter will be 4.4. Go to circle, 6.4 circle is the distance from the center of this circle to the center of this small circle is 14.2. So I will create a center line at a distance of 14.2. Create a circle and the diameter is 1.2. Now create a line tangent to this circle and this circle. Hide the constants and this coincident constant, and this line will be tangent to this circle and also with this circle. Mirror this line, select a line and a mirror line. Now create this feature. For that I have to create this circle. The diameter for this circle is 11. Radius is given 5.5. And for this circle 2.25, which means the circle is 4.5. Now create a line parallel to this line. And distance should be 1 and coincident with and these two circles. Again mirror this line, and this is our center line. Now trim these lines. Here we have a fillet with radius of 0.3. Point 0.6 will be diameter, and same fillet will be here with 0.6 diameter, and same on this side. We can hide dimensions. This is our sketch. Now we have to create this feature and this. So for this feature we have to draw this center line, and the distance between this center point to this center point is 6.5, and angle between this vertical line and this line is 30 degrees. First create a center line. These two lines are construction lines, and the angle is 30 degrees, and distance 6.5. the circle with the radius 0.7, so we can say that the diameter will be 1.4. And diameter for outer circle is 3.2. Create a line, and this line is coincident with this, and also with this, and also this line is tangent to this circle, and also this line is parallel to this line, and exit. Now we will mirror this feature, so select mirror, select the center line and click OK. Now our main sketch is ready. Now extrude this up to 6, and it will be symmetric. Total distance is 6. Show the sketch. One on this side we have to use 2 sides, and for side second we can select up to this object. Extrude by using 2 sides. The side 1 is 2 and other side is 1. Now extrude this up to 1 and click OK. Now extrude these features. We will choose object, and I will select this plane, and the distance is 1.6. Click OK. And this distance is 6.5. Start a line. Now trim these lines. Hide the sketch, and our model is ready. If you like this video, hit a like button and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.